Skilled hands meticulously select ripe cocoa pods, marking the beginning of their journey. Skilled workers expertly open cocoa pods, revealing the precious beans within. From pod to pulp, the journey of cocoa
How are
begins
the
its
lower trays
transformation.
looking?
Fermenting well, the temperature is holding steady.
From the sun-drenched fields of West Africa, premium cocoa beans begin their long journey. Hershey, American factory workers begin the meticulous process, opening sacks of precious cocoa beans. The raw cocoa beans journey along the conveyor, heading for the crucial feeding stage. Precision machinery expertly sifts and shapes, removing any unwanted debris from the valuable cocoa. The journey continues. Clean cocoa beans begin their crucial transformation through roasting. An American factory worker meticulously checks the roast, a crucial step for quality. Expertise dictates the perfect roast, balancing sight and aroma. The roasting, a symphony of precision, transforms raw beans into fragrant perfection. From raw pods to roasted beans, the precise art of chocolate making unfolds. Cracked peanuts, now a mix of fragments and shells, begin their separation in the winnowing chamber. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the winnowing process, ensuring perfect separation.
The
winnowing
sensors
section
show the
comes
nib
with
count is
precision,
stable.
a testament to
All right,
modern
let's
chocolate
increase the batch
manufacturing.
size slightly.
Pure cocoa nibs are fed into the grinding mill, beginning their journey to become chocolate. Intense friction and pressure transform the nibs into rich, flowing chocolate. chocolate liquor.
We should
This
check the
velvety
temperature
chocolate
again
liquor
before the
is now
next
ready
batch
for the next
arrives.
crucial phase
Agreed.
of
Let's make
chocolate
sure it's
making.
consistent.
Freshly ground chocolate liquor is piped away, continuing its meticulous transformation. Precision blending begins, combining fine ingredients with rich chocolate liquor. Each component is meticulously measured, ensuring a perfect, consistent Hershey's blend. Expert workers meticulously monitor every stage, guaranteeing unmatched quality and flavor. The art of chocolate making requires both advanced technology and human precision. The raw chocolate paste begins its transformation, entering a precise refining process. Through 5 stages, the chocolate's texture transforms from coarse to luxuriously smooth. With each pass, the chocolate develops its signature velvety texture and rich flavor potential. Skilled hands ensure every batch meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. This vital stage ensures the chocolate achieves its perfect, melt-in-your-mouth consistency. The journey continues. Now silken, the chocolate paste is ready for its next transformation. Here, the journey to velvety perfection begins as smooth chocolate paste fills the mighty Conching. continuous motion transforms the paste, eliminating bitterness and refining its texture. Through hours of meticulous conching, chocolate develops its signature velvety smooth texture. Precision and patience are key, as each batch is carefully refined to perfection. A rich aroma now fills the air, a testament to the exquisite flavor developed. Through intricate channels, the chocolate achieves perfect fluidity and sheen. Inside the heart of the machine, chocolate undergoes its crystalline transformation. Advanced sensors continuously monitor every aspect, ensuring consistent quality. Digital displays chart the precise temperature curves, a ballet of heating and cooling. Perfectly tempered chocolate now awaits its transformation into delectable Hershey products. Precision depositors ensure every Hershey's bar receives the exact amount of rich, liquid chocolate. Each precisely filled mold now embarks on its journey towards cooling and solidification. An experienced hand ensures every detail is perfect, a testament to American craftsmanship. Precision at work. Chocolate molds embark on their journey to perfection. Skilled hands oversee every detail, ensuring impeccable quality. iced chocolate, now ready for the next crucial step. Hundreds of molds begin their journey through the chilled depths, where precision meets perfection. The precisely chilled environment ensures each chocolate piece achieves its perfect, stable form. Hour after hour, the chocolate progresses, transforming from liquid into solid, perfect bars. Cooled chocolate emerges, perfectly firm and ready for its next transformation. From precise molds, perfect chocolate bars emerge, beginning their final journey. Each bar, a testament to quality, moves closer to its final wrapper. Automation ensures every chocolate bar meets Hershey's exacting standards. Precision wrapping begins, transforming each chocolate bar into its iconic form. Each bar advances, ready for its distinctive outer paper layer. Perfectly wrapped bars emerge, ready to the light. Each perfectly wrapped chocolate bar is a testament to American manufacturing excellence. The journey culminates as freshly wrapped Hershey bars enter the sophisticated packaging lines. Automatic precision ensures each bar finds its perfect place within the iconic display boxes. Each perfectly sealed box embarks on its journey, ready for distribution. Finally, these boxes are systematically stacked, forming towering pallets ready for delivery.